whispers. It is school let-out time now. It's Tuesday afternoon, near the evening, and I was about to go riding on my bicycle, and then I noticed that there's frogs croaking, so I thought what a nice sound it was, and I decided to record it, and I managed to capture a couple of them. There's another one down there. There's actual frogs spawn in there, right on the very left corner, but it's good. I'm actually surprised that the fish survived through the winter. Well, it's still winter, but it's coming to the end of it now, which I'm really happy about. Because then I'll be able to sit outside for much more longer. Sadly, we haven't got the water feature hooked up yet, but we will do eventually. We have to put a hole through the actual wall, which is quite a disappointment, but we'll give it a go anyway. As you can see, the green wire hooked up to the trellis, whatever it's called. There's another frog down there. I'll let you listen to the sounds now. Sorry for the skip then. See him right in the centre of the screen. It's a finch. He's quite a lovely little fella, isn't he? They're all fighting in that tree. Oh dear. I'm quite saddened really to find out that there's a lot of trees being cut down in this area. And I'd really love them to stop, because it used to look really green around here, it used to look beautiful, and you've cut an awful lot of trees in it. It really has annoyed me though. But it's quite easy to plant your own tree. I really want to plant my own Lombardy poplar tree. That would be just a dream really, since that is my favourite type of tree. A frog in the corner's trying to get out. I hope it does. I don't know if I should say this, but I saw a couple of frogs mating before. Whoops. What's happening? He's just protecting himself. Oh, there's another frog right there. Anyway, I'm about to run out of memory, so I'll see you all later. saw then, or heard, was many of the frogs communicating with each other, croaking of course. The first part I couldn't quite get the sound and the frog itself, but I got it in the end, this one. You can see the fish just about underwater. The water feature has been updated as well. That was just an old back of a lawnmower that didn't really work out, turned out to be good, so anyway, yes, it's getting cold outside now, and I've got no coat on, I've just got a short sleeve t-shirt on, but it's actually quite relaxing because you hear the birds as well outside. There you go, you can hear the frogs again. Sorry about that pause then. There's someone was making noise upstairs. But it is quite a nice evening, this. It's so natural around here. Well, I'll just say let's relax and listen to different sounds in the background. Because if you've had a stressful day, this will be an ideal video for you, because you don't have to watch it if you don't want to. But I'm running out of space on my laptop right now, and I can't seem to. I need to try and get some space back. That frog spawn was moving then. I think there's a frog underneath it. You can still hear the croaks. There's one over there, you see it in front of the pond. Actually, what's that? Is that an earbud? No, it looks like fish food in the pond there, that white thing. I must get my bigger camera out again sometime. I'm just using my phone camera because, well, it's easier and quicker, and now I'm just lazy. Nah, I'm joking. I'm on stone, so I can, right there. But, the fish seem happy, don't they? Well, we're gonna have the water feature running again soon. It needs to be. As well as this is important to the pond, you see. It's a mosquito. It can't get me because of the fire that was in my jeans. So if you could see like fibres in the air. That's how cold it is. It's me breathing out. I'm gonna move places now. The frog before was right underneath that little pile. You can see it moving now. Well, this is the Natural Whispers I'm going to go now, and blessings to you all. Hope you're all feeling well, the usual. And it's a good night from me. And the geese as well. There's 2 frogs. You can see the one underneath there just came out of the moss. A frog came over to say goodnight as well. Oh. Where are you? Come on. This is almost a shelter for the frogs. This may look dead, but it's actually alive. It's just a grey coloured type of grass, and it looks very nice around the pond. So turn back and admire the view. All different bird sounds. All the arguments. You see the blackbirds in that tree right there. And there's more frogs in next door's garden. It's actually loads. It's actually covered over half of it because it hasn't been used. Thank you all for watching my video, and it's